Eshawn Langston, doğum 9 Mayıs 2001, yer Michigan, Amerika Birleşik Devletleri, tarih 11 Aralık 2024. Daha önceden birçok kez suç geçmişi olan bir isim. Fakat bu seferki suçu biraz daha farklı. Polisler kefalet ihlali nedeniyle onu durdurduğunda teslim olmak yerine 1 yaşındaki oğlunu kalkan olarak kullanarak kaçmaya çalıştı. Kaçış girişimi başarısız olunca yanındaki bıçağı çıkararak 2 polis memurunu yaraladı. Olayın detayları için videonun devamını izleyin. Bay City polis memurları kefalet hakkı annesinde olan 1 yaşındaki çocuğu babası tarafından izinsiz alıkonulduğu ihbarını aldı. 23 yaşındaki Eshawn Langston çocuğuyla birlikte kaçmaya çalışırken tespit edildi ve polislerin uyarılarına rağmen şüpheli araçtan inmeyi reddetti. Gerilim tırmanırken polisler durumu kontrol altına almaya çalışıyor ancak olay hızla kontrolden çıkmaya başlıyor.
In a car seat, Eshawn, what are you doing? Oh my God.
Get my title. I got my title from my cousin.
Polisler şüpheliye defalarca araçtan çıkmasını söylüyor ancak o izni olduğunu iddia ederek direniyor. Çocuğu kalkan olarak kullanırken polisler durumu tırmandırmadan ikna yoluyla çözmeye çalışıyor.
That's what court's for. That's what court's for, okay?
I'm not doing that, bro.
Eshawn, listen.
I'm not doing that.
Right.
I'm not
you
doing that.
know about the bond conditions, right?
Yes, I do know
Okay.
about it.
So why-
okay, I didn't violate my bond.
You
though.
did though.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So listen, it was.
I've been at my end.
Listen.
I didn't violate my bond.
You were here earlier today.
No, I wasn't.
It was updated and lean.
Okay, I've been at my end.
Listen.
Even if I was here, I've
on
been
the
at my
5th,
end.
on the 5th
which
of
is
this
2
month.
doors down from her.
The 5th of this month.
They said I can't
Okay.
be at her listen, I know my bond conditions.
Right.
They say I can't be at her address.
Yep.
Which is
Correct.
correct. My aunt stays 2 doors down. I had no contact with her.
Okay, listen.
They
though.
dropped my son off to my aunt.
Yelling
and
isn't gonna help.
Okay, well,
Okay.
y'all trying to say I violated my bond, and I didn't.
We have
So I'm
probable
not
cause
doing
to
it.
believe that
So
you
I'm not
violated your
doing
bond,
it.
okay?
So I'm not doing it.
You
I
are.
haven't been at her house, so I haven't
Okay.
violated my bond.
He's
So
already
I
explained
haven't-
this to you. Yelling
so
isn't gonna help.
All right, well, I haven't been at her house, so I haven't violated my bond. Therefore, you guys are here for no reason.
It's a reason.
I haven't violated
Listen,
my bond.
Stop and listen
At
for a
all.
second. Just listen to me for a second.
At all.
Listen, we have probable cause to believe you violated your bond. You are under arrest for a
No,
bond
you
violation.
don't. How?
Okay?
How?
You are
How?
under arrest. Okay?
No, no.
So if you
I'm
can-
not doing it, bro, we're not
You
doing
know,
this.
listen, you know how it works. If you refuse, you're gonna get a
You're gonna have to kill me because I ain't break the law.
you're getting a resisting
Y'all
charge.
gonna have to kill me.
Okay? We will take you out of the car.
Do it.
Okay? Unlock the door.
Polislerin ikna çabaları sürerken şüphelinin bir akrabası da arabanın yanına gelerek çocuğu bırakması için yalvarıyor. Ancak Langston son derece agresif ve hiçbir şekilde ikna olmuyor. Bu sırada çocuk korku içinde babasının yanında kalmaya devam ediyor.
Nephew. Nephew. Let me take him. Let me take him. Okay, okay. Let me take him. Let me take him. Let me take him.
I told you you're under arrest for a bond violation. Okay?
Is there any way you can pop his hood?
We can't
No.
without.
Stop the car right now. I told you you're under arrest for a bond violation. Okay? Stop the car right now. Didn't drive.
Yeah, he keeps changing gears. I don't want to break the window because the kids.
I know. Break the back window and see if you can. We're gonna break your window and take you out of the car. We're breaking your window and taking you out.
You said what?
We're gonna break your window and drag you out of the car unless you unlock the door right
What,
now.
bro?
I told you, you're under
told you
All
arrest.
right, y'all hope y'all ready for that, bro, because y'all kicked my window in. I'm not going down. It's gonna be more than just a resisting of arrest, bro.
No.
Y'all gonna have to take me out this bitch in a body bag, I promise you.
Just
boy.
unlock the
Unlock the car.
Y'all gonna have to kill me.
Unlock it.
Y'all gonna have to kill me. Y'all
Unlock
better
the
run
car.
my record. Y'all gonna have to kill me. If y'all
Unlock
hurt
the
my
car.
son in the process, I promise you.
Unlock the car.
To one of y'all. I'm gonna do something to one of y'all.
Unlock the car right now.
I'm gonna do something to
Unlock
one
it right now. Unlock the car.
Put the kid down.
Scott, can you get your car behind him and block him in any way? You guys, all of you guys need to go inside right now. Okay?
Hey, guys, please, you're not, this isn't helping anything on me to go inside, okay?
Y'all gonna have to. And I promise you, bro. Y'all gonna have to, bro.
Unlock the car.
Fuck you. All this for what?
We told you, you're under arrest, Eshawn.
Because I have my child?
No, because you violated your bond.
How? How did I violate my bond, bro?
We already
How?
told you.
I haven't been nowhere but at my aunt's. So how?
We told you.
No.
Okay.
So how? You're telling me a lie.
Your aunt
saying I've been at her house and I
already told
haven't.
me she hasn't seen you all day. She
You're saying
already
I've been
told me
at her
that.
house and I haven't.
We already talked to everyone,
You're
Eshawn.
saying I've been at her house and I haven't.
We already told you.
You're saying I've been
We
at
have
her
probable
house and I
cause to
haven't.
arrest you for a bond violation.
Okay, you already
Okay.
talked to everybody, but I haven't been at her house though. You already talked to her. Obviously, you couldn't find me earlier, so I haven't been at her house. What do you
Well,
mean?
you know that's not true.
I do know that's true.
Okay.
I haven't been at her house. So what
You
do you mean?
violated your bond, and
You're
you're going to
talking
jail,
about bond
okay?
violation.
And now you're being
No.
charged with resisting, which is another felony. You
No,
know that,
You're
okay?
talking about bond violation. I haven't been at her house.
Polisler Langston'ın ikna edilemeyeceğini anlayınca çocuğa zarar gelmeden müdahale etmeye karar veriyor. Planları camı kırarak içeri girmek ve Langston'ı şok tabancasıyla etkisiz hale getirip çocuğu güvenli şekilde kurtarmak.
Can you do a back window, please, with my
We're working on it, man. I know, man. I know. I don't want to get glass in baby's face.
Yeah, hey, yeah. Give a punch? Oh, perfect.
Yes. You're going to jail, yes.
With my son?
Yes. Because you're putting your
So y'all finna kick my window in with my
Yes.
son?
You're going to jail, yes.
With my son?
Yes.
All right, bro. I promise.
Because you're putting your son in danger right now.
No,
Eshawn,
how?
are you
Last
I
chance.
ain't moved my car.
Last chance, hey.
How? I haven't moved my car. How am I putting my child in danger?
Because you keep putting it in drive in reverse. You're driving around. You're holding your son when I told you you're going to jail. You're trying to use him as a shield.
I'm not using my
Okay.
child as a shield at all.
So let's be a
You're
man.
just not giving me. You're just not giving me. An
Eshawn,
we're not giving you a choice.
In the time, no, you're not giving me an explanation, and you're telling
I
me
did.
a lie. You're telling me I've been in her house.
You were.
How have I been in her house?
We talked to the witnesses.
You
You were
guys
there.
came earlier.
Okay?
You guys came earlier.
And they told us
obviously.
you were there.
I seen
That's
you guys.
probable cause.
Eshawn,
No, but listen.
I'm gonna
you
break
guys
your window.
came
Are you gonna
literally-
unlock the door? Yes or no? I'm about to break your window. Are you gonna unlock the door, or I'm gonna smash your window open?
And then I'm gonna. And then
Let me finish talking to you.
you have your son.
Are you gonna unlock
Think
it?
about
Yeah,
that.
because you're putting my son in danger by
I'm gonna
breaking that
smash your window
so I
open.
can
Then unlock it.
Then unlock the
Straight
door.
up.
Unlock the door.
Then unlock the door, or I'm gonna smash your window open. And we're gonna pull you out.
I'm gonna tase you first,
I'm
and then we're gonna
telling
drag you out.
I'm telling you, bro.
No, I'm telling you.
No, you guys
You don't have a choice.
No, because listen.
You don't have a choice,
But
Eshawn.
listen,
There's
I
nothing to
know, I
listen
understand
to.
that.
We're
I
done.
understand that, but you're telling me that
You
I
don't
really-
understand it.
Yes, I do.
'Cause you still hold
it
it.
around her. Ask her.
Put your
My
son down.
bond's right here.
Put your son
I
down
haven't been
now.
around her. Ask her the fucking kid. You're a public servant. Bond's right here.
Have Scott do it.
Scott, do it.
Yeah.
Hey, do it on your side.
Do it on
The
your
kid's
side,
over
because the
here.
kid's over here. Kirsch, go over there with him.
Go get a shot.
Yeah. If you could hit the back and reach in and get the door,
Bro, this is a
Yeah, see, there's an unlock. I think there's
either
there's-
unlock, the handle's right there. The handle's right there next to the B pillar.
I haven't been around her. This is fucking injustice.
Eshawn, just unlock the door so we don't have to
This
smash
is
your
fucking
window.
injustice for
Just
what?
unlock the door or
For
we're going to have
what?
to smash your window.
This is fucking injustice, bro.
It's not. It's a
For
condition
what?
from a judge,
It's
okay?
injustice. The judge said I couldn't be around her.
Okay.
This is injustice.
You know what your conditions are. You can't be
I
at the
haven't been
house.
around
You're
her.
under arrest.
I haven't been around
That decision
her.
is not changing.
I haven't been around her, bro.
Listen, that decision is not changing.
Been around
You
her.
can't talk your way out of it. You are going to jail tonight.
Her, bro. I have not been around her. I have
Eshawn,
not been around her.
You are putting your child in
I
this
have not
position.
been around her,
Okay?
bro.
This is on you. This is on you.
Arabanın yolcu tarafından müdahale etmeye karar veriyorlar. Amaçları önce çocuğu güvence altına almak. Ama Langston daha da agresifleşip öndeki polis aracına vurarak kaçmaya çalışıyor. Bu noktada polislerin müdahalesi daha dikkatli olmak zorunda.
Unlock it! Unlock it!
this one too. Pop this window. Shut your eyes.
Stop! It's going! I will kill him myself! He's not going!
Polisler müdahaleye geçtiği anda Langston iyice çileden çıkıyor. Çocuğun elinden alındığını fark edince öfkesi daha da artıyor ve panikle arabadaki bıçağa uzanıyor. Geri adım atmak yerine son bir hamle yaparak polislere saldırmaya karar veriyor. Artık olay tamamen kontrolden çıkıyor ve saniyeler içinde şiddet dolu bir mücadele başlıyor.
What do you need?
Get his other arm. Ah, fuck! Oh, shit!
I think I'm stabbed.
I'm stabbed.
So am I.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, 321, get medical here now. I think we were stabbed.
I need to put a tourniquet on.
I got it.
I need to put a fucking.
Hey, get silly now. I got him.
Seth!
Get silly.
Scott!
Get it silly.
Scott! I need a tourniquet on.
I got him.
Steve!
Get silly. Hey, we're single four.
I can't get this cuff on.
Start. Jackson North.
I got it. You're good. I got it.
Over now. Copy 045.
321. We're gonna need at least 2 rigs.
You good?
I don't know.
Where?
Lower left.
You good? We got
he's
him.
handcuffed. Get up.
Go.
Can't get tighter.
You want me to let you go with him?
Yes.
Get up. Get up. You got it. Lock your car. Brent.
That's my car.
You want me to fly?
Hey, good.
Who's that?
Şimdi yan taraftan müdahale eden polisin kamerasından çocuğun kurtarılma anına bakalım. Öndeki polis aracı Langston'ın kaçmasına engel oluyor. Biri Langston'ı oyalarken diğer polis hızla aracın yolcu kapısını açıyor. Birkaç saniyelik kaosun içinde çocuğu güvenli bir şekilde kucaklayıp araçtan çıkarıyorlar. Küçük çocuk korku içinde ama artık güvende. Ancak içeride Langston pes etmeye niyetli değil.
Head on a swivel.
Hey, you want me to take that video down?
What?
You want me to take that video down?
Nope. Unlock it! Unlock it!
Hey.
So I can put the car, so I can turn the car off. Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Grab my car! Turn the key off. Oh, y'all got my car!
Okay, here you go.
Şüpheli olay yerinde etkisiz hale getirilip kelepçelenerek gözaltına alınıyor. Yaralanan 2 polis hemen tıbbi müdahale alıyor ve ciddi bir yaralanma olmadan taburcu oluyorlar. Korku dolu anlar yaşayan 1 yaşındaki çocuk sağlık kontrolünden geçirildikten sonra annesine teslim ediliyor. Langston, polis memurlarına yönelik saldırısı ve direnişi nedeniyle ek suçlamalarla karşı karşıya. Olası suçlamalar arasında polis memurlarına saldırı, kaçmaya teşebbüs ve çocuğu tehlikeye atma gibi ağır maddeler yer alıyor. Savcılık olayın tüm detaylarını değerlendirerek bilgilendirerek ona yöneltilecek cezaları belirlemek üzere soruşturmayı sürdürüyor. Buraya kadar izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Eğer videoyu beğendiyseniz beğenme butonuna basmayı unutmayın. Düşüncelerinizi bizimle paylaşmak için yorum yapabilir ve yeni içeriklerimizden haberdar olmak için kanalımıza abone olabilirsiniz. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere.